If you want to add a step counter on your Realme Note 70T, then in that case we can try to find an app that is called Fitbit, for example in the app drawer. It might be pre-installed, so you should be able to find it. However, if you don't have it, you can simply go to the Play Store and download it for free. This is a Google app. So let's go ahead and open it. I'm gonna show you how to quickly set it up. So once you are here, you can, for example, sign in with your Google account, which will be definitely the most convenient way to do so. So let's go ahead and use our Google account in order to proceed. And once you are there, you should be able to grant permissions. There we go. And then we have steps. So we can check our step counter over here in the app, but besides that, we can also add a widget to the home screen. So what we can do is I believe we can press and hold our finger on the Fitbit app in order to find widgets. So let's go over here, and then you should be able to find, for example, this steps widget. So we're gonna press and hold my finger on the widget, and then we can place it somewhere we wish it to be located. So let's say I'm gonna drop it over here. There we go. You should also be able to resize the widget a little bit if you want to make it a little bit smaller. There we go. And we have a simple step counter on our Realme Note 70T.